to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going, or I can say we are making habit of reading newspaper. So I'm starting with Mint newspaper and try to read single article on Mint newspaper. So let's start. I have selected interesting one because when you start a habit of reading newspaper, you must know your area in which you are interested. So I have selected this article. Now let's start. Center amends law allow any citizen to acquire Jammu and Kashmir. So that means center amends a law. Amends means modify law, because as we all know that in Jammu and Kashmir there are two act, which is Act 375 article and Article 35A. So according to these two article, citizen who are not belongs to Jammu and Kashmir are not able, people were not able to buy land on Jammu Kashmir, but now center amends the law. So in this way, people who belongs from other state, excluded Jammu Kashmir, they are able to buy land on Jammu Kashmir. Now let's start. So as you seen that in major decision, the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) lead union government on Tuesday notified rules allow India citizen from outside Jammu Kashmir to purchase land in the union territory. That means that it is a major decision. The NDA government lead the union government on Tuesday and notify the rules that to allow Indian citizens from outside the Jammu Kashmir. That is the main thing, that people who are outside the Jammu and Kashmir are able to purchase land in the union territory. Now it is the most significant, considering that before Article 370 and Article 35A. Okay, so it is significant. Okay, and it is considered significant nowadays because uh, before Article 370 and 35A were repealed. Repealed means cancel or revoke. Okay, repeal means cancel or revoked in August 2019, that non-resident who is not resident from Jammu and Kashmir, they were not able to buy land and any immovable property in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so it was basically part of Article 370 and Article 35A. Now the move comes about 14 months after the bifurcation of the state and passage of Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. So this move is coming out after 14 months of bifurcation. Bifurcation means division of something into two parts or branch. Okay, so this is something. Now next we are going to know that in a gazette notification of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir reorganization. Here Jammu and Kashmir reorganization means adaptation of central law. Actually the means of reorganization for the development purpose of Jammu and Kashmir, it is really necessary to bring these kind of changes, because for development we need investment, and investment comes when people are there, when there is sufficient amount of population. Now so it is the third order of 2020 union government omitted the phase. So here you have seen a word omitted. Omitted means removed or eliminate permanent resident of the state. So they removed 2020 union government removed the phase of permanent resident of the state from section 17 to the Jammu and Kashmir developed a act which deal with the disposable of the land in the union territory. Now they can sell their land. Now Jammu Kashmir land, non-agriculture land, are up for sale. So the amendment, however, do not allow transfer of agriculture. It is the most important aspects. The aspect is only non-agriculture land are allowed to transfer outsider. But if we talk about the agriculture land, it is not allowed. But there are some condition in which you can transfer your agriculture land into non-agriculture, and then you can sell your land. So this is the things we have right now read. So Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor, which is Manoj Sinha, said decision sparked a, so he said that this decision where center amend, and now everyone can buy land in Jammu and Kashmir. So it seems like a fire, just like in matchstick when we बार बार माचिस को जलाते हैं तो एक फायर आती है, चिंगारी. So it is spark a fresh political war. So it also it gives rise political war of words. So it is war of words, okay, with the National Conference and People's Democratic Party. So PDP here refers to People Democratic Party, and NC refers to the National Conference. These are those parties which opposing this amendment. Okay, now senior National Conference leader and the former Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said that the announcement was unacceptable. So he said that the announcement, whatever the announcement they made, was unacceptable. Unacceptable means when you are not in the state to accept anything. And asserted means when you are believe to do something, okay, a state of doing something, that Jammu Kashmir was not up for sale. It is not up for sale, okay, at previous time, or I can say before 35A article and 370 article. Now unacceptable amendments. So unacceptable amendment to land ownership law of Jammu Kashmir. Okay, even the tokenism has been done away with when purchasing on non-agricultural land, and transfer of agricultural land has been made easier. Now it becomes easier. You can easily convert your agricultural land into non-agriculture, then you can sell it. But there is some small disadvantage of it, that a poor small farmer and poor landholder are going to be suffer. Now it was tweeted by the Omar Abdullah. Now PDF chief, which is I think we have just read about the PDF, which is People's Democratic Party who opposing it. So PDF chief and former chief minister, which is Mehbooba Mufti, call for a united fight, and it is a united fight. It means together fight by the people of these three provinces, which is Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, and said that these three provinces means Raj, should come together to fight against the BJP, which is Bharatiya Janata Party. Yet another step that part of GOI nefarious design to disempower means when deprive of power, which means वंचित करना उनके power से, and disfranchise power means when you deprive them from their rights and from their freedom. So ये उनका कहना है. Now people of Jammu Kashmir, people from the unconstitutional scrapping of Article 370. And some people said that whatever the way Article 370 and 35 a article revoked, so it is unconstitutional. Okay, now it means that they are facilitating to loot natural resources and finally putting land into Jammu Kashmir up for the sale. So it is tweeted by the Mufti. Now the central government has said that bringing development to the Jammu Kashmir is the key, ensure that the youth are weakened away. Here the meaning of weaken away, wean it away means to break a habit, okay, forcefully to break a habit from joining the ranks of terrorist group operating there. So ensuring investment in the region is seen as crucial to develop industry and give employment to people, especially the youth, it said. So it is also a good way that you are going to spend something in youth, so that youth are not able to go in terrorist kind of stuff. Now the Union Territory Administration is focused on improving infrastructure, and then they are also focusing on the infrastructure facilities, in which you know that roads, availability of power, road availability of electricity, schools, education institution, so that improve the way of education, said the person familiar with the matter. Now center's move comes against the backdrop of release of two former chief minister of Jammu Kashmir. Okay, detention means nikal dena, following which the NC means National Conference, and the people's I don't know why I'm forgetting its People Democratic Party. Okay, it's People Democratic Party, as well as some smaller political party, have come together at a united platform to oppose the revocation of article and bifurcation of the state. So prior the revocation, before the revocation again means cancel, rescind. So of article 35A, the state has right to decide. Even before, state had means past tense, so it talks about the past, that had right, they have the right, who qualify as a permanent resident of the state, and only these individuals were allowed to acquire or own land in the Amendment Act. Now let's talk about the present scenario. There are several exemption. Exemption means concession, or in simple languages, discount, that enable transfer of agriculture land for non-agriculture purpose, including setting up for educational and healthcare facility. So thank you, hope you enjoy it. I have just made this video so that I can able to gain such a beautiful habit, and I became habit as a part of my life. So thank you.